In automotive manufacturing, unplanned line stoppages can cost millions every hour. Lost production, delayed deliveries, penalties, and eroded margins. Lines must run non-stop. Reliability is non-negotiable. That's why leading OEMs and Tier suppliers partner with Group CBS, the power of one for unbreakable electrical performance and safety. Group CBS delivers comprehensive lifecycle support from design and commissioning to maintenance and decommissioning. Unmatched inventory with millions of components for same-day shipping and rapid disaster recovery. Backed by 24/7 nationwide NETA-certified experts, the fourth largest accredited firm. CBS ArcSafe remote racking and switching, industry-leading solutions for keeping operators outside the arc flash boundary, minimizing risk, and protecting personnel in high-vibration, heavy-cycling automotive environments. One-stop solutions, parts, repairs, engineering, testing. Enhance safety, ensure compliance, and advance sustainability through life extension and vacuum replacements, reducing costs, waste, and environmental impact. Consistent, reliable power that keeps production lines moving at full speed. Keep your lines running with Group CBS, the power of one. Visit groupcbs.com today.